This is a dry cleaner's guide to removing a mustard or yellow curry stain, but this guide will work for any stain with turmeric in it. First, rinse away any physical bits of your stain. This may require a little bit of rubbing for older stains. Once it looks like this, aka only the color of the stain remaining, we can get to work. Next, grab a bucket or a sink or your top-loading washing machine and fill it with hot water. The ideal temperature will be between 120 and 140 degrees Fahrenheit or 50 to 60 degrees Celsius. Add about 1/8 cup of powdered oxygen bleach and mix. Then add your stained garment. When the turmeric comes in contact with high pH solutions like this one, it will turn from yellow to deep orange and sometimes even red. While this is quite startling and a very cool reaction, it's actually a really good sign. This means that your stain removal process is working. Now we just have to wait overnight for the oxygen bleach to do its magic. Oxygen bleaches, unlike chlorine bleaches, require a lot of time to work. After about 12 hours of soaking, this is how it looks, much improved. To be safe, I'd recommend treating the remainder of the stain with a high quality stain remover or laundry detergent. No need to go overboard, just make sure you work in that product so it penetrates the fabric. The goal here is to treat the stain to remove any residual oil or leftover food, and then allow it to sit for at least 15 minutes prior to washing. Wash your garment as recommended by the care label and inspect before tumble drying. Dry heat can set a stain and make it much more difficult to remove. If the stain is not completely out, you have a few more options. You can repeat the first step or try another type of oxygen bleach, hydrogen peroxide. To use hydrogen peroxide, just spray it onto your garment and allow it to air dry. Mustard, curry, and turmeric stains are one of the more challenging stains out there, so do not get discouraged if it doesn't come out on the first or even second try. I hope this guide helped you remove that frustrating stain, and happy cleaning.